Hi guys, so recently I've returned from a trip, and in this trip, unfortunately, a bad thing happened. And basically, it is related to my drone. I crushed my drone and crushed it badly. Let me take it out and show it to you. So here I have DJI Air 3. I have the full package, so it was quite pricey. Here you can see it already. So basically, I was flying the drone, and maybe I got too confident, too self-confident, and when I shot all nice footage around mountains and around some interesting Chinese villages, I was flying back, and I was flying too fast because basically I could see myself on the screen for the remote controller, and I was flying fast directly towards myself. And when I looked up, I noticed, but I noticed too late, that there is a wire between me and the drone. I couldn't see it on the screen because it was just too tiny and like too thin, but when I looked, I could see it with my eyes, and I tried to stop, but because I was flying too fast, almost like at the full speed, basically it takes drone some time to stop, and with the inertia it continues to fly for like maybe 2 or 3 more meters, and that was enough for the drone to get on a wire, bounce, then somehow catch on a wire, and then it made a death loop and flew down on a full speed exactly in the pile of bricks. So that was bad. As you can see, yeah, this thing is broken, this thing is broken on the back, like a lot of damage. The whole sensor below is shattered, and also the gimbal was stuck, and I had to like try to move it with my hands to kind of set it free. I thought, okay, maybe let's try to fly again, because who knows, maybe it can still fly, because at that time I was just in the beginning of my trip and I wanted to fly around the T Mountains. So I decided to try to fly again, but I didn't know how it's going to react. Maybe it's going to fly exactly into my face, or who knows what got shattered inside. And so basically when I tried to fly, there is a weird sound inside of the drone, like brrr, but still I wanted to take a risk, and it actually flew up, but after flying up, it would hover for a couple of seconds, and then it would just fall on its back. And I actually have footage of this moment. And yeah, it would do this again and again and again. And at that moment, I realized that I cannot use it anymore. Well, anyway, I didn't panic a lot because thankfully, my wife pushed me to buy DJI Care for a year, and I realized that I still have several months of DJI Care left. And basically, in terms and conditions of this DJI Care, it is said that I can fully replace the drone 2 times during DJI Care. Fully replace it for 596 RMB. So right now I've scheduled a courier to come and pick it up from me, and I'm gonna send it to DJI, and after that maybe they will do some checks and they will send me a new drone, probably. 你好。OK， 我要给这个无人机，但是我没有盒子。不是，我有。你有盒子？好的。Guys, I've literally just got out of the shower, and there was a man knocking on my door, and I was wondering who can it be, because I didn't order anything. And that was a delivery guy who delivered a new drone for me. And I actually sent it back to the service center yesterday morning, and today in the morning, like 1 day later, they already brought me back a new drone. So let's take a look. This is it. All right, so that's the package. That's fascinating. So I sent it back with one of the batteries, because the battery, when it crashed, there was something on the battery that one of the clips got broken, so I sent it back with the battery. Okay, so that's the cellular dongle. Okay, the new battery. And the drone. A completely new drone. Damn, I didn't expect that to be so fast. And when I crashed my drone into the bricks, I didn't expect that I will be able to replace the whole thing for just 600 RMB. That's insane. All right, cool. So, my shout out to DJI. Their customer service is at just like an incredible level. That's amazing. And oh, thank God for my wife that she convinced me to buy a DJI Care. Usually, I think that all these insurances are just like some sort of scam and you don't need to spend money on those. But thank God we did it. Thank God we spent money on the DJI Care, and probably in July my DJI Care is going to expire, and probably I'll extend it for one more year because who knows?